In 2025, Wolt career partners can expect a dynamic earning landscape shaped by various factors, including location, working hours, and platform demand. In Denmark, career partner reports average earning of over 160 DKK per hour during daytime and approximately 200 DKK per hour during evening peak hours from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Some careers mention daily earnings ranging from 1,000 to 1,300 DKK, although this can vary based on individual efforts and market condition. Earnings also differ across multiple countries. For example, in Koper, Slovenia, Koreaners have reported a 30% decrease in pay over the past year due to rising operational costs. Several factors influence earnings, including delivering during peak times, such as evening and weekends, which can significantly boost income. Wolt does note that 50% of daily orders occur between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m., with weekends being particularly busy. The Wolt Career Planner app displays estimated earnings for each delivery before acceptance, allowing couriers to make informed decisions. Additionally, dynamic pricing based on factors such as distance, order size, weather condition, and demand surges affects the earning per delivery. Wolt has introduced also an early payout option in 18 countries in 2025, allowing couriers to access their earnings on demand, enhancing financial flexibility. Typically, payments are issued twice a month with detailed payslips outlining earnings and tax deduction. Most couriers operate as an independent contractors, valuing flexibility of this status. However, they are responsible for managing their tax obligation, including selecting appropriate tax cards and ensuring compliance with local tax regulations.